Hello guys, welcome back to mathematics. Today we're going to check the question 9 of the progression test style questions of stage 8. This one is about a translation vector. So it says, find the vector that translates the triangle A onto triangle B. So you can see that A and B have the same measures, they are equivalent triangles. One is just the translation of the other one. So since it says that translates A onto B, that means the translation goes in this direction. And we are given all the points, the initial and final points of the triangle. So we could choose any pair of points in order to calculate vector, because this vector is going to be the same for all of the points. Notice, it's the same vector here, and it's also going to be the same vector here. Remember, the final point is the first one that you would write, -1, 1, minus the initial point, which is -6, -3. And we do this operation, x with x and y with y. X, it would be -1 minus -6. I'm gonna write it here so you don't lost the operation that we are doing. And 1 minus -3 is going to be the y component. Remember, with vectors we could also write it like this. So it would be -1 minus minus, it would be plus. So -1 plus 6 is going to be +5. And 1 minus -3 is going to be 1 plus 3, which is 4. That just means that the measures of this vector is 5 here and 4 in the vertical. So the vectors, we can also write it horizontally or vertically. So we are going to write 5, 4. And that's how we are going to get the marks. Okay guys, if you have questions about vectors, you might want to check the video that I leave you in the description about vectors. And that was all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, book your own lessons with me if you want, and drop any questions you have in the comment box. Bye bye guys, see you next time.